Okay, welcome back to our YouTube channel or our website. Depends on where you're watching it. Um, yeah, earlier we saw how to create your meeting and then join a meeting as well. So you today will learn how to how to start your meeting. So once you go to your mobile phone, open the Zoom application and sign in, and you now see the list of the meetings that you have. And in the list of the meeting right next to it, you will see the start button. You click on the start button. Then you have your meeting that is starting. I just allow here. This means here. Okay. Well, it might ask you for some permission. You just allow them. That's it. Okay. I click on allow. Automatically, I have my audio activated. So on this screen now, what you see buttons. Let's look at the buttons below. The mute button, basically it's the microphone button. If you want to activate the button, it is right now activated, but if you want to deactivate your microphone, you click on it and it's now in red, so which means people will not be able to listen to you because your mic is deactivated. Once you want to reactivate, you click on it again. Next to it you have the video, the camera button. You could click on it. Right now it's deactivated. If you want to activate it, you just click on it. Now if you want to share something with the participants, you click on share. It will ask you what do you want to share. If you want to share your screen, you share your screen. Automatically it will show what is showing on your mobile. If you want to share a document, that you look for the document. If you want to share a photo, you look for a photo. If you want to share something like your whiteboard, so you could write with your finger so people can see, then you just use the share whiteboard. Participants allow you to see the people in the meeting once they join, and you see the list and everything here. If you want to invite someone, you can click on the invite button and you have it. If you want to mute all participants, you click on the mute all, then you have it done. Okay, so after the participant button, you have some more options like chat. If you want to send a message to a participant or all participants, you could, if you leave it to everyone, it will send it to everyone. If you want to send it to one participant, then you could just do it to one participant. Choose it from the list. Since I have only one myself, then this option, you cannot see other participants. Once done, you click on send, and that's it. Alright, and if you want to end the meeting for some reasons or whatever, if it's over, you just click on the top right side of the screen and click on end. Well, since I configure my Zoom to show me how much time elapsed, that's why you see the time right here. And well, if you want to see details about the meeting, you just click on the where it says Zoom. It will tell you exactly the password and the link and some details about the meeting. So on top. Well, basically that's what you need to know about how to use the Zoom interface once you start your meeting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to share it with your friends, because right now we are living in a digital life, so it's very important to know how to connect with friends and families. Well, share it and then subscribe if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel. And once subscribed, click on the bell icon so you can be notified when we release new videos. It was TechnoPro, Technology Promotion, Education and Solutions. It was a pleasure. Till next time.